Good morning, dear friends. I'm back with a breakfast recipe for you today. As we all know, egg is the most preferred breakfast all over the world. So we should try out many different recipes. And here is one more added to my collection of breakfast ideas with eggs. It's easy to make and very delicious. You can enjoy it with any kind of bread, croissant, or even chapati, roti, naan, whatever you like. You can even serve it for brunch if you wish to. It's nice and filling and so yummy. So do give it a try. Let's start.
Butter garlic eggs. A delicious treat for egg lovers. List of ingredients can be seen in the description box. Now let's begin. First we are going to whisk the eggs. Break them into a large mixing bowl. I'm using 4 eggs. This will serve 2 people. It's always nice to make a different variation for a change. Now add a little bit of salt and we are going to whisk these eggs thoroughly until they are nice and fluffy. To do this, I'm using a mini whisk. This is rechargeable and very handy. You can find it in Flipkart and Amazon. Look at this, nice and frothy. Such gadgets make your work very easy in the kitchen and faster. With balloon whisk, it takes a long time. Now take a pan and melt 1 teaspoon of butter. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm using both together. If you wish, you can just make it with butter also. Melt them on low flame. And once it starts bubbling, you pour in the egg mixture. Now using the spatula, we'll gently mix it so that the egg forms into chunks and not very finely scrambled. If the mixture is nice and creamy, you get fluffy egg chunks. Be careful not to do this on high flame. All the cooking is done mostly adjusting the flame from medium to low. It's done now. We'll set this aside. Remove it into a plate and in the pan again add 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We'll allow these to melt. When you see the bubble formation, add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste or finely crushed garlic. Saute it on low flame. Take your time, don't rush it and increase the flame because we want the garlic to be light in color. Don't let it burn. When it starts cooking on like this on low flame, you get a lovely aroma. Now at this stage add half teaspoon of cornstarch or you can also add all-purpose flour. Saute it until it gets cooked. Sprinkle 2 pinches of black pepper and little bit of dry basil or any herb you like. You could also use red chili flakes if you like spicy eggs. Saute this on low flame until all the flavors are infused into the butter and olive oil. Now you can add milk. 1/4 cup of milk goes into this. You could also add water if you like it lighter, or any stock. If you have vegetable stock or chicken stock, you can also use that. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Now you can add the egg chunks. Mix them with a ladle so that the mixture, garlic and flour mixture, gets coated on them very well. It's done. You have nice butter and garlic flavored eggs here. The taste of this eggs is amazing. It's ready to enjoy. Dish it out and serve any kind of bread with it. Awesome. So friends, do give a try to these garlicky eggs. I'm sure you're going to love them. You can even enjoy it with naan and roti. Thanks for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Check them out if you have missed them earlier. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.